Experiencing internet issues in your Tesla Model S? You're not alone. This video provides a comprehensive guide to diagnosing and fixing common connectivity problems, covering both LTE cellular and Wi-Fi connections. We'll explore common causes and effective solutions, ensuring you stay connected for navigation, streaming, and essential updates. This guide is relevant as of January 2026, incorporating the latest updates and troubleshooting techniques. Connectivity is crucial for features like autopilot and Sentry mode. Your Tesla Model S connects to the internet via two primary methods, LTE and Wi-Fi. LTE uses a built-in SIM card, usually from AT&T or Verizon, for a constant connection. Wi-Fi allows you to connect to hotspots for potentially faster speeds. LTE issues can stem from weak signals, data plan expirations, or SIM card faults. Wi-Fi problems might involve password errors, IP address conflicts, or router issues. We will go over the basics of network settings and how it directly affects the car. Before diving into advanced troubleshooting, try a basic network reset. This often resolves minor software glitches affecting your Tesla Model S connectivity. The first method is to power cycle the car. Hold the brake pedal and shift to park to fully shut down the vehicle. The second method uses the touchscreen. Access the safety and security menu and select power off. The third method involves diagnostic mode. Press the scroll wheel on the touchscreen 5 times to access it. After the car fully shuts down, wait a couple of minutes before restarting it. This allows the system to clear any temporary errors. For additional help, Tesla support can perform a soft reset of the connectivity module. If a basic network reset doesn't resolve your Tesla Model S connectivity issues, it's time to investigate further. Start by ensuring your vehicle's software is fully up to date, as Tesla regularly releases over-the-air updates that can fix connectivity bugs and improve network performance. As of 2026, Tesla provides a built-in connectivity health check feature accessible through the vehicle's touchscreen. This diagnostic tool runs real-time tests on your network connection, checking LTE signal strength, Wi-Fi functionality, and data routing. It can identify issues like weak signals, SIM card problems, or firmware glitches, providing specific recommendations for fixes. Additionally, check online forums and communities where other Tesla Model S owners share their experiences. Websites like Tesla Motors Club or Reddit's r/Tesla often have threads discussing common connectivity issues and user-reported solutions. You might find that your problem is widespread and already has documented fixes from the community. If you've tried resets, software updates, and other basic troubleshooting without success, your connectivity issues may stem from hardware problems. Common culprits include a faulty LTE antenna or a defective SIM card embedded in your Model S. In such cases, professional help is needed. A faulty LTE antenna can prevent proper cellular signal reception, while a defective SIM card fails to establish the data connection. These components are integrated into the vehicle's hardware and require specialized diagnostic tools for replacement. Contact Tesla support through their app or website to schedule a service appointment. Tesla service centers are equipped with diagnostic scanners that can quickly identify these hardware issues and perform SIM card replacements when needed. Keep in mind that older Model S vehicles, especially those from earlier production years, may have inherent hardware limitations that affect LTE performance as cellular networks continue to evolve and adopt newer standards. Tesla is continually improving its vehicle connectivity. Newer models are integrating satellite connectivity via Starlink partnerships, addressing LTE gaps in rural areas. While the Model S currently uses LTE, expect full 5G adoption in future refreshed variants. Keep an eye out for retrofit options that will improve connectivity. Starlink satellite connectivity provides reliable internet access even in remote areas where traditional cellular networks are weak or unavailable. The Model S currently relies on LTE, but future refreshed variants will feature full 5G capabilities for faster and more reliable data speeds. Tesla offers retrofit options for existing Model S vehicles, allowing owners to upgrade their connectivity systems for improved performance in areas with poor LTE coverage. Key points to remember: Starlink addresses rural LTE gaps, 5G is coming to future Model S variants, and retrofits are available for current owners. Elon Musk has emphasized that connectivity is the nervous system of the car. To maintain optimal performance in your Tesla Model S, follow these expert tips. First, regularly update your Tesla software through over-the-air updates to ensure the latest connectivity improvements are installed. Second, perform periodic network resets to clear any temporary connectivity issues and maintain stable performance. Third, consider investing in a Wi-Fi extender for your home if you frequently park in areas with weak Wi-Fi signals. Fourth, be mindful of your data usage, especially when using your Tesla as a Wi-Fi hotspot to avoid unexpected charges. By following these expert tips, you can minimize connectivity issues and enjoy a seamless driving experience in your Model S.